There's one question: is Islam the only way to please God? Is Islam the only way to please God?
No, not according to many verses of the Holy Quran. Islam is not the only way to please God. Every follower of previous religions took a path towards pleasing the God, and they made efforts to please the God one after the other until the time of Islam. Followers of Jesus Christ, peace be upon him, also made all their best efforts to please God. So this is wrong to say that only Islam claims to have pleased to their followers having pleased God. All religions do the same, and this is the purpose of religion. But according to Islam, at the advent of Rasul Akram, the last prophet of Allah on earth, that's the last prophet bearing a law-bearing prophet, the prophecy began to take another shape, in the sense that whoever believed in the Holy Prophet and acted according to his traditions, he would be closer to God than the previous people. So that is the main difference between the Islamic beliefs and non-Islamic beliefs.